Tired of being blocked from creating multiple Gmail accounts by that dreaded phone number verification? Today, we're diving into how to bypass that pesky phone number requirement and effortlessly create multiple Gmail accounts, keeping your online presence diversified or your project organized. Stick around. And by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at creating Gmail accounts without ever needing your phone number. Our first and often most effective strategy is to leverage Incognito or private browsing mode. Open up your preferred browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and activate its Incognito or private browsing feature. This is crucial because Gmail, and Google in general, track your activity through cookies and IP addresses by using Incognito mode. You're essentially creating a fresh, untracked session, which can sometimes bypass the phone number prompt altogether, since Google doesn't see a history associated with your device. Once you're in Incognito mode, navigate to the Gmail sign-up page. Go through the standard account creation process. When you reach the point where it asks for a phone number, look for the option to add or skip phone verification often. The system will then prompt you for an alternative email address for account recovery. This is your golden ticket. Enter a different existing email address. This could be an older Gmail account, a Yahoo account, or even an email from another provider that you control. This alternative email will be used for verification purposes and to recover your account if needed, effectively circumventing the need for a phone number here. Now, if that doesn't work, or if you need to create a significant number of accounts, temporary or disposable email services are your next best friend. Search for terms like temporary email services or disposable email addresses. Online, you'll find many websites offering this service. These sites generate a unique email address that is valid for a limited time, often just a few hours or days. When you sign up for a new Gmail account, use one of these temporary email addresses as your recovery email. Crucially, when Gmail sends a verification code to this temporary email, the website will display it in your temporary inbox. Copy that code and paste it into the Gmail sign-up form. Once verified, you'll have your new Gmail account without linking it to your personal phone number. Remember to keep track of which temporary email you used for which account, just in case you need to access it again within its validity period. For those who are creating many accounts or want a more automated approach, consider exploring browser extensions designed for email management or anonymization. While I can't recommend specific ones, search in your browser's extension store for tools that claim to assist with account creation or privacy. Some of these extensions can help manage multiple browser profiles or automatically fill in information, potentially offering a way to streamline the process and indirectly bypass phone number requirements. Always exercise caution and read reviews before installing any browser extension. So there you have it. By utilizing Incognito mode, alternative recovery emails, temporary email services, and potentially helpful browser extensions, you can successfully create multiple Gmail accounts without the need for a phone number. This empowers you to manage different aspects of your online life, keep your projects separate, or simply maintain your privacy. Give these methods a try, and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you.